Do you want to speak English fast? Do you want to make sentences quickly and easily? If yes, this lesson is for you. Many people understand English, but they cannot speak well because they cannot build sentences fast. Today, we will help you with this problem. Stay with us until the end. You will learn good methods to make sentences quickly. But first, please subscribe to our channel, activate the notification bell, and like this video. This helps us and gives us motivation to create more lessons for you. Why is sentence building important? Speaking English is like building a house. If you do not have good materials, your house is not strong. In English, words are your materials, and sentence structures are your tools. If you can connect words quickly, you will speak more naturally and with confidence. Many students know vocabulary, but they cannot form sentences fast. This lesson shows you how to train your brain to make sentences immediately. 1. Think in simple sentence structures. Many beginners try to make long and complex sentences. This makes them slow and causes mistakes. Instead, focus on simple sentences. Start with short sentences like, I like coffee. She goes to school, or we play football. When you are comfortable, you can expand your sentences. I like coffee in the morning. She goes to school every day, or we play football on Sundays. Training your brain to form simple sentences first helps you speak faster. 2. Use sentence patterns. There are common models in English for you to practice. For example, 1. Subject plus verb plus object, like I eat an apple, or she reads a book. 2. Subject plus verb plus adjective, like the sky is blue, or this food is delicious. 3. Subject plus verb plus preposition plus noun, like he goes to the park, or we sit on the chair. Practicing these models helps you make sentences without thinking too much. 3. Shadowing technique. Shadowing is an excellent method. Listen to a simple English sentence and repeat it immediately. Try to copy the rhythm and speed of the speaker. This helps your brain form sentences quickly. For example, listen. I'm going to the store. Then repeat. I am going to the store. Try to say it faster each time. Do this every day and you will see a big progress. 4. Use question and answer training. Train your brain to respond fast with questions and answers. Question: what do you do in the morning? Answer: I arise and drink coffee. Question: where do you live? Answer: I live in New York. This method helps you think fast and respond naturally. 5. Practice with a timer. Use a timer for 1 minute and try to make many sentences. For example, choose a word like dog and make sentences. The dog is running. My dog is small. Or, I see a dog in the park. This exercise forces you to think quickly and improves your fluency. 6. Use common phrases. Memorizing common phrases helps you speak faster. Some examples are, I think that, I do not know, or can you help me? When you know these phrases well, you do not need to think too much when you speak. 7. Describe what you see. Look around you and describe what you see in English. For example, the sky is blue, a man is walking on the street, or I see a red car. This helps your brain form sentences naturally. 8. Speak without translating. One big problem for students is translating from their native language. This makes speaking very slow. Instead, train your brain to think in English. If you see a cat, do not think of that word in your language first. Just think cat in English. A good exercise is to say simple sentences directly in English. I am hungry, the weather is nice today, or she is my friend. When you practice this more, you speak faster. 9. Storytelling practice. Telling short stories in English is a great way to build fluency. Start with simple sentences. Yesterday, I arose early. I prepared breakfast. Then I went to work. Then, make the story longer. Yesterday, I arose early because I had a meeting. I prepared coffee and toast. Then I took a bus to work.
Practicing stories helps you form sentences quickly.
Now it is your turn. Try these methods and tell us in the comments which tip is the most useful for you. Also, remember to like this video, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. If this lesson helped you, share it with your friends so they can learn too. See you in the next lesson.